Good morning everybody, and this is your SP 500 setups for today. So Feds are out the way. Feds are hawkish. They're looking for more interest rate hikes. So yeah, I think probably looking for opportunities to be short. So key here is that this gap is now closed, and that's basically what we were aiming for. And what we should be looking for is opportunities to short, but not down here. We want to be shorting off structure, slightly higher up. So moving on to the 3 hour, we do have this big gap that is basically visible on the higher time frame, well, from the 50-minute down. So it is open, but we are pointing down with the moving averages. We are definitely in short territory. So what we want to do is just look for additional structure, and there is one additional level there. I'm not going to pay too much attention to where we are at the moment. That's too close to us. So that's kind of the zone that I'd be looking forward to be shorting off. And if you look at the hour, nothing really changes. So what we're looking for is 44.20, 44.09. We're looking for price to get back there for an opportunity to short. And I don't think anything will change on the 15-minute. That's pretty much the only area that I see an opportunity to be short right now. If you just look at price action yesterday, you can see all the noise with the data that came out. And then we waited for the press conference afterwards, and then we just continued as the Feds were hawkish. So nothing really that stood out for an opportunity to be short yesterday, apart from, we gapped down quite dramatically. If you look here from there down to there, so that gap, often what happens when this data, especially when there's bad news and you have the gap down, it tends to run back quickly, close the gaps, and then sometimes even move past it and then move back down to the downside. So if you were a betting person yesterday, that's probably the area that you would have been looking for. But anyway, I was on the side. It is a data driven day, and whenever it's data driven, I tend to stay away from it. So short and sweet of this is looking to be short, and we're looking to be short of 44.09 or 44.10 or 44.20 or 44.19. That's kind of what we're looking for. Target wise, I'm just going to move across to the that is the closest bit of structure for a target, and that is going to be 43.84. So that's kind of my view for today. I don't think anything else will happen apart from just a slow grind to the downside. But just please be aware, next, if you look to the left, we still got quite a strong zone here of potential support. And if you're looking at the daily as well, I would expect some kind of a pullback to sometime, maybe not today, but sometime there should be a bit of a pullback in the next couple of days to come and reject these areas slightly higher than the levels I've given you now. But anyway, that's a longer term view. That's kind of my view this morning. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.